In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font in your Typeform theme. To get started, open your Typeform in the builder so you're on the main editing screen for your form. Once you're there, look over to the right-hand side of the builder and click the Design tab, which is represented by the palette icon. This is where you can control the visual style of your form, including the theme, colors, and typography. If you're trying to make your form match your brand or simply want it to feel more polished and readable, this is the right place to do it. After opening the design panel, the next step is to choose the theme you want to work with. You can either select an existing theme if you already have one set up, or click Create New Theme if you want to customize a fresh one. Choosing an existing theme is helpful if you've already built a consistent visual style and just want to make a quick font update. Creating a new theme is a good option if you want to keep your current design unchanged and experiment with a different look. Once your theme is selected, click Font. This will open the font options available for that theme. From the drop-down list, choose the font style you want to use. As you make your selection, think about the overall tone of your form. Some fonts feel more modern and clean, while others may feel more formal or friendly. It's also a good idea to keep readability in mind, especially if your form includes longer questions or explanations. A clear font can make the experience smoother for respondents and help your form look more professional. When you've chosen the font style you want, click Save and apply the theme to your form. This confirms your changes and updates the appearance of the form with the new typography. After applying it, take a quick look through your form to make sure everything looks the way you want. It's always worth checking that the font fits well with the rest of the design and is easy to read across all sections. That's it. You've successfully changed the font in your Typeform theme. This is a simple update, but it can make a big difference in how your form looks and feels to the people filling it out.